Also, may tinatawag na positive feedback loop. Anong positive feedback loop? Halimbawa, kung isa kang tao na nagsasuffer sa anxiety, yung anxiety mo, kapag iniisip mo na anxious ka sa pag-iisip mo about your anxiety, then iikot yun into a loop hanggang sa mag-amplify palalo yung anxiety mo. And I think ito yung nagiging effect ng SOCMED sa taong nagsasuffer sa depression. Ang isang influencer whose subject is mostly about his or her depression will either get you affirmation, at kapag nakakuha ka ng affirmation, it might encourage you to make more content about your depression, hence incentivizing remaining in a depressed state. Or you get bashed, which will really make your depression worse. Now, imaginein mo ulit yung feedback loop na yung depression mo umiikot, naglo-loop at nag-amplify. Ano ang tingin nyong magiging logical na dulo nito?